The Gaggenau baking stone is an artisan baker's dream, with its exceptional ability to absorb and radiate heat with a temperature setting up to 300 degrees. It's the professional results one can achieve when baking with the stone that makes it so desirable. Seeing and tasting the sourdough you have nurtured become the perfect crusty bread, or your handmade pizza cooked to perfection in minutes, is an amazing feeling. The optional baking stone accessory comes with a frame to support the stone in the oven and a pizza pedal for placing and removing the pizza. Semolina should be sprinkled on the pedal before the pizza is prepared to ensure it releases easily. The baking stone works in conjunction with a required heating element that must be ordered separately. This exposed element effectively heats the entire stone, creating a true brick oven effect. The porous baked clay composition of the stone releases humidity during the baking process to create the perfect crust. Any debris on the stone can be removed with a brush, but to avoid damage, the stone must not be cleaned with water, as this may cause it to crack. Once brushed clean, the stone can be turned and heated over the exposed element to remove residual cooking debris, but some markings will remain on the stone. This does not interfere with the performance or taste. Both sides of the stone can be used for baking. Don't worry if you are new to baking with a stone. In the automatic programs, you will find recipes with guidance for baking a variety of breads and pizza, and there are curated recipes available at gaggenau.com.au.